right, y'all, the RLAARLO 787 just came in. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time. I'm going to unbox this real quick, and I'm going to try to get it running a little bit later today or first thing tomorrow. But I did want to at least unbox this vehicle and show this to you. Now, it's actually a little bit heavier than I thought it was. I picked the box up and I almost dropped it. I was like, oh, it's heavier than what I thought. So let me go ahead. I'm going to get this unwrapped. Of course, it comes in this nice casing that you guys see here. But I'm going to open this up and let's see what we got inside. What the heck? Let's just go ahead and unzip this so you guys can get the full experience. And look at that. And look at that. Accessories, parts, stuff. Nice stuff. So like I said, I'm not even going to worry about doing a lot of editing and stuff in this. I just want to show this to you guys because I'm actually pretty excited about this one because it is going to be a dual motor capable vehicle with this. So with this, of course, being an influencer like some of us are out here, we get a lot more stuff to show this to you guys, to show you what the vehicle and stuff is going to be capable of. But in here, I want to show you guys some of the stuff that I have. So I have the lipos and stuff with the extra motor and stuff. So this is going to come with, as far as what I'm going to show you guys, the dual motor setup and stuff. So I'm of course going to run it as it is out the box, and then we'll work on the dual motor setup and stuff at some point. But with me, I did get an extra set of foam tires with it. So thank you, RLAARLO, for this, giving me batteries and extra tires and stuff. I do have a, this is a 2S lipo. So this is a 3300 milliamp, 2S lipo here. Pull this bad boy out in just a second. We do have a motor. So this is going to be a 3660, 3900 kV motor. So this is also going to be helpful, if I can recall, for the dual motor setup and speed controller right here. So I can't wait to actually do this because this is actually going to be my first dual motor vehicle as well. So let me go ahead and I'll pull the rest of this out and we'll take a look. All right, y'all. So for the rest of the accessories, as I mentioned, I do have the dual motor setup. So this is actually going to be pretty cool. And I will be doing a build video on this. I don't know if I'll go live or not. Put down in the comments if you guys want me to go, excuse me, if you want me to go live with this or not, because if I go live, it's going to be a longer video, but I think I may just build it. And as I build it, just shoot videos and stuff of it and talk about the build. But I don't know, a live video may be pretty cool. It'll be about an hour or two or a couple hour long video if I go live, but I may do it on a Saturday morning or something, or coming up this Saturday. I don't know, but you guys let me know in the comments. But this is actually going to be pretty cool because, like I said, this is my first time doing a dual motor car. I never did on a limitless or anything like that, but it'll be pretty cool to do it with this vehicle. So these optional accessories can also be purchased as well. And you guys know, of course, there's links in the description for everything. Optional gearing for it. They even give you a gyro with this too. That's going to be, I think it may be one installed inside here, or it may actually be in here, but I know I did read some instructions about another gyro being in there. And you guys see that this in here, try to center this just a little bit and you guys can see the QR code. So I'll put some information below for this as well, so you guys can look at the gyros and stuff you can get with this, because it's definitely going to need it at those higher speeds and stuff with this. And of course, optional gearing. Look at that pinion gear. That's huge, but this is going to be two of these, one for each motor. So when you buy that package, or if you buy the car later on that has that, you will get the accessory pack. I'm pretty sure with it that'll actually allow you to run two motors with two pinion gears and stuff. But I'm just impressed that they're doing that and they're putting this out. So we'll definitely be testing this. And then you guys see in there, you get optional gearing just to run it with the single motor right there. So we'll take a look at this a little bit later on, but I did at least want to show you this car. And this is a lot heavier than I thought. It may have the lipo already installed in it, which is probably one reason why it feels a little bit heavier than I thought it would, which is good because it's going to need that weight on it. But get this plastic off. And I did, of course, I chose this orange and greenish color. The orange is a little bit bright. I thought it'd be a little bit darker. It's a little bit brighter than I anticipated, but it'll still be fine when I'm doing speed runs and the car is a quarter mile away or whatever. You're trying to see where it's going. But this vehicle, get all this stuff out the way. Let me get this stuff out the way. All right, there we go. So this vehicle actually looks good, guys. I mean, I love it the way they do the lights and stuff on here. as well. The way they got the lights and stuff set up on here. And I love the way this wing and stuff. And for me, I'm kind of the guy that doesn't mind the odd tires and stuff on there that you guys see here, are the different types of wheels and stuff on there with that. But this looks good. This setup's good. And like I said, I love these front lights that they have on there, that it's actually embedded into the body. So you don't have to go and drill holes and all that with it. And getting this body off real quick, pop this off. Got the lights attached in there. The lights aren't actually plugged in yet, but that's a look at the inside of this. So it does have the LiPo installed, which is good. And then, of course, this has the option and ability for dual motors. So that's going to be awesome as well. But look at this layout. So this looks to be a little bit sturdier than the previous version car. And of course, when they're doing this stuff, they're upgrading and making things better, which is going to be good. This tire compound actually feels good too on here. And of course, get another battery and stuff in there. And then this is a 120 amp speed controller, and this is a 3900 kV motor. So this is capable of 4S. I believe I got to look back at some of the specs on it just to make sure. But they have two motors, the 4300 and the 3900 with it. And I think the 3900 or the 4300 is going to come with the aluminum version. And then this one's going to come, of course, with the lower kV motor, so you can actually run 4S on it. But we're going to test this stock out the box as it is. And I may test it with the gyro and stuff installed. I got to look at a couple of things and actually go through the instructions. But I wanted to show this to you guys, because this layout of this vehicle is actually pretty good. I like the way it looks. And it feels to be a lot sturdier too, as well. So it will be capable possibly of those 100+ mile per hour. Some people saying that there's no way this car can go 140 or 50 or 60 miles per hour. Well, the Vortex go about 140, 50 after they do a lot of modification stuff to it. So why can't this car? So we'll get that, take this out and take it to the test. I may actually get with some local speed run guys, and we may actually do some stuff with it as well. But we'll see. But like I said, I did at least want to show this to you guys, because this thing looks awesome. You guys see sway bars, front and rear, aluminum hinge pins. It's got adjustable turnbuckles and stuff on it. Threaded body shocks, and this actually matches some of that orange color, which is good. And I think the white and bluish one has blue, so that matches that body style and that body cover. Aluminum servo horn up in there. So this is pretty much good to go. I mean, right now it's on sale. You can pre-order. I'm going to talk to RLAARLO. I'm pretty sure they learned their lesson from the last one to make sure they have plenty of these in stock, because a lot of people bought them. The same is going to be for this. I don't think this is going to be any different. So I think they are onto something with these vehicles. 10 scale, and hopefully they'll do an 8 scale at some point. I'm pretty sure they will, but we'll see. But anyway, guys, wanted to show this to you guys, show you this vehicle, get this out running. Of course, this is going to be the radio that comes with it and stuff. This is kind of a quick unboxing, because I am excited to charge this up and get this running. And we're going to see how this runs on the very first run. So stay tuned for that in just a bit, because I'm kind of excited about getting this out and running it, and then looking at some of the capabilities of running this stock out the box, and then actually modifying it, because that dual motor setup is going to be awesome for this. But anyway, guys, put your comments down below, get the like, subscribe, and stay tuned for a running video coming up soon. Appreciate you guys watching.